guys, I just wanted to pop in with a quick video on how I make these crochet little hearts. The video tutorial is going to show you using embroidery floss, but you can make these hearts using any kind of yarn. So you're going to make a magic adjustable ring, and you're going to chain 2 to start that ring. Then you're going to do 3 double crochets into the ring. After you've done the 3 double crochets, you're going to do 3 half double crochets. After the 3 half double crochets, you're going to do a chain 1, and then you're going to repeat back in the opposite way. So you're going to do 3 half double crochets first, and then you'll do 3 double crochets. We're going to do 1, 2 double crochets here. And then after that, you're going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the ring. So chain 2, slip stitch into the ring. I'm going to pull my yarn just slightly, and I'm going to cut my yarn tail, and I'm going to pull it the rest of the way through. Then I'm going to take my magic ring tail, and I'm going to pull it just slightly, and then I'm going to go up from the bottom and grab my yarn and pull it through the center of the ring. And then after that, you just want to cinch closed, and you'll see your little heart has formed. It's like a magic adjustable heart. Okay, that was not funny. Okay, so there we go, and now that's it. And you can use any type of yarn for this, just using the same method. Just make sure that when you do it, you use a size appropriate hook, either the size suggested on the yarn or one that you know that you're comfortable with. A few things I like to do with these hearts is I like to make little hang tags. I actually have a listing in my Etsy shop for this style here. It says made with love. I have a few that say handmade with love. It has a blank space at the top so that it's you can adorn it with anything there. You can do a crochet heart, a felt heart, a knit heart, a candy conversation heart. You pretty much can use whatever you want at the top of it.